take my hand, please get up, rise to stand. I can't be the one to sing your song.
You're clearly not in a place to listen to me right now.
It's not your
So I'm
fault.
gonna go.
Don't be scared. You are my rock.
Love is not an end.
It's gonna hold you down for long.
It's a process through which one person attempts to know another.
Sometimes we break so beautiful.
So we got. I need to talk to you.
And you know
Why would you leave without telling me? Why would you come back if you weren't going to tell me? Why are you walking away?
I breathe you
I was born into a life of duty.
Sometimes duty is the death of love. Love is more powerful than reason.
The evil that will follow is of your doing. She is the darkness to your light, the hatred to your love.
You're honest to me. You never lie to me.
When you release,
Believe it or not, I actually care what happens to you.
you can find
precisely one
yourself
of us.
where you belong.
I don't like what you do.
You're not a curse. You're not
known you for a
too
while. I
much.
can tell when you're
You are
upset.
needed here. You are enough. Nothing's gonna hold you down for long.
You'll know telling someone something like that. And live with the regret. Is a lot worse. I wouldn't know how.
I am begging you as your friend, do not do this.
Maybe this is you said we used.
You don't feel bad. Hey!
I want you to understand why I left you.
Darling,
It wasn't for lack of love.
don't give up. Try to
Die for her.
and sing for love.
Because I love her.
Let me be the one who sings along.
Love is irrelevant to people like us.
I would have done anything for you.
Love does that. Changes us.
If you truly care for her, you must let her go.
I know what happens.
Look favorably on the proposal. Because if you give me your heart, I promise before God, I will take care of it.